Yes. Leveraging, forex from $5 to $36. This is how it's done. Okay. So I'll just go to custom period and show from the 20th. From the 20th, I was in minus. Okay. From the 20th, you can see that, okay, the profit was in minus. And from the 21st, okay, -6 as well. And up to from the 22nd, boom. So from the 22nd, basically, you could generally see that on the 26th of October, that's a 13 profit. So like I had a $4 or $5 balance, took it from $5 to $13. That's a 1 to 3. Okay. And we can see on the 28th of October and 28th of October, okay, that's $9, that's $18. So basically $18 now into total $36. The second stage, which is 1 to 2. Okay, so this is one of the best ratio in forex trading. One of the best ratio is like a 1 to 3. Being able to actually be patient and just wait for the right opportunity and leverage with ratio 1 to 3. Okay, so basically, and it's a very, very good practice, as anyone who actually wants to dive into forex, to actually be able to, to always practice and turn $10 into $20. If you can practice that skill, you can do anything. It is like a sniper strategy. That is one of the best strategies. You're taking $10 and testing your skill, to $30 to $20 and $30. That's one of the best way of testing one skill. As a person, I've realized that if you actually trade a very large amount, it's like there's a lot of fear, a lot of you're trying to overprotect the money, but test. This is one of the secrets. Test a very, very small amount. Okay, this was just $5 to $30 to $38, and then if you have the right strategy, if you want to know more about the strategy, you can just drop me an email, and I will be able to explain the strategy. Okay, taking it from that's the secret of trading on the forex. Patience, and taking your money from $10 to $20. Okay, testing your secret strategy. So testing, actually growing the account. That's what it's all about. Okay, so I actually have one of the best platforms, Hankotrade, one of the best platforms. Okay, you will see the link below this email, below this video, and you can subscribe to that. One of the best platforms. Okay, that actually trusted, that gives one of the best leverage. Okay, no other platform that I've actually used, okay, would allow you to actually trade $5. No platform actually, before you know it, it is gone. All the money is gone. Okay, but Hankotrade actually has one of the best leverage. Okay, so also it's actually very good for large amounts as well. So that is okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.